Okay, welcome back. Chris Bolschweiler here, coming back with a resubmission for local storage. The last time I had submitted, I got great credit, but I was encouraged by the instructor to incorporate additional topics into this lesson. So I have gone back and made use of the JSON parse method, and I will get to that a little bit later. But since I have previously submitted, this example will be kept a little shorter because I just want to incorporate the JSON parse method into this. So local storage, I have to launch this in Chrome because still due to compatibility issues, um, uh, Microsoft Edge does not necessarily fully support local storage in JavaScript. So let's take a look at what do I want for dinner. Well, I want steak because everybody does. Uh, let's do some carrots and potatoes because it is the winter. So that's what we want. Now let's refresh the page to see what our list looks like tomorrow. So without changing anything else, I have my dinner list. Let's refresh it. Now I need to buy the following today. So for dinner tomorrow, I need to buy the following today or tomorrow. But either way, I have to have it for dinner. Remove the list, and now it has been completely removed from the local storage API. Associate arrays, when was I born? Well, April 23rd. Well, I was born in, well, are you sure? 1911. Why not? So let's save. Now this page says my birthday has been saved. Let's go ahead and refresh the page. My birthday is April 23rd, 1911. I'm getting up there, aren't I? I only have a couple years left. Please choose from the following options. Let's say try text size medium, color. Well, red will probably be easiest to see on this background. This page says my settings have been saved. Go ahead and refresh the page. Now here's a great quote from Thomas Edison. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time, which I was encouraged to do with this assignment, and I have tried just one time. Let's go ahead and clear. Let's go ahead and clear my birth date as well. Refresh the page, and the local storage API has once again been cleared. So let's take a brief look at my code for this. We have my HTML file here. We have the values here for the day, the month, and the input placeholder for the year for our birth date. We have the quotes listed here, and then my JavaScript file is where I have incorporated the JSON parse method. And right here we have the three different quotes that I have chosen that we can get based upon our input. Yeah, we have our save birthday, we have our get birthday, and here is the JSON parse method that we use in our birthday array. It's used to display it as our birthday is blank month, day, and year, and that is displayed to us. And I also have the JSON parse method to get us our shopping list where it is displayed as you need to buy the following today for dinner tonight. And that's it for this resubmission for local storage. Thank you.